10, 9, 8,
Sideways ignition.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
SpaceX, which has gone from underdog to dominator, now handles two-thirds of NASA's launches, including many research payloads with flights as cheap as $62 million, roughly two-thirds the price of a rocket from United Launch Alliance. SpaceX goals are not limited to Earth orbit only, but researchers see benefits in the company's increasing power. It has lowered the cost of space flights through innovations such as reusable stages and fairings, saving NASA's money. With the outside capacity, Starship could cheaply put large telescope in orbit and heavy science experiments on moon and planets. SpaceX's first mission in June 2010 to send rockets from Falcon 9 family have been launched 51 times, out of which 49 have been successful, means around 96% of success rate, which is very difficult to handle and manage. Between 2006 to 2008, the first 3 flights of the Falcon 1 rocket ended up in failure. SpaceX pivoted to a large Falcon 9 rocket in 2010 and began delivered cargo to the ISS for NASA's 2-year later program. Since then, its ambition have been grown. SpaceX family of Falcon launch vehicles are the first and only orbital class rockets capable of reflight. Depending on the performance required for the mission, Falcon lands on one of our autonomous spacecraft spaceport drone ship out on the ocean or one of our landing zones near over landing pads. Not only reaching and taking flight to space but to return back was a history in itself. On 30 March 2017, SpaceX achieved the world's first reflight of an orbital class rocket. Following the delivery of the payload, the Falcon 9 first stage return to Earth for the second time was second history in itself. With the world's most powerful operational rocket by a factor of 2, Falcon Heavy is capable of carrying large payloads to orbit and supporting missions as far as the Moon and the Mars are concerned. On February 7, 2018, Falcon Heavy made its first launch to space, successfully landing 2 of its 3 boosters and launching its payload to the space. While the most important day came when in March 2019, SpaceX became the first privately owned spacecraft to successfully dock with ISS. Then on Saturday 30th May 2020, NASA astronauts Bob and Doug was launched into orbit. The launch also represented first time NASA has launched its own astronaut since end of Space Shuttle program nearly a decade ago. Then on evening of 2nd of August, SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule cruised into the home port, secured one of the company's recovery vessel. I hope everyone would have remembered that splashdown that occurred recently in Gulf of Mexico that recently concluded the mission that SpaceX and NASA conducted together. SpaceX launched successfully 57 more satellites with the name of the mission Starlink, along with 2 Black Sky Global Earth Observation satellites that lifted off at 1:12 am EDT from Pad 39A here at NASA's Kennedy Center. It was the 5th launch of this Falcon 9 first stage, and the booster pulled off yet another landing, settling softly into the deck of SpaceX off course. I still love you, drone ship. This is the SpaceX 10th Starlink mission, since which aim of increased internet speed and connectivity. This was the SpaceX 12th mission this year for the company, and they are yet not slowing down. Some people may have a question, are the SpaceX rockets special? Well, the basic science of liquid fueled rockets hasn't changed much since the days of Robert Goddard. The advances are made at the margins and Musk is doing well here. His rockets are modular. The Falcon is a single engine model. Falcon 9, the number supervised, has 9 engines. The Falcon Heavy has 27 in the 3 clusters of 9 engines. Roughly 80% of the parts in any SpaceX rockets are made on company's own factory floor, reducing the cost of the outsourcing. One study by the NASA and the Air Force estimated that the price tag for going from initial design stages of Falcon 9 rockets to its first flight was $440 million, about a third of what it would have cost of NASA. While the most rockets are designed to burn up the re-entry, SpaceX rockets can not only withstand re-entry but can also successfully land back on Earth and refly again. SpaceX aims big, and Elon Musk is a man with big visions, not only to fly by Mars but make interplanetary living as common as possible.